I grew this from the fucking vine. And it wanted it. Not only did it want it, it needed it. Oh yeah!
Alright, me and AJ here, we built a fucking hammer. We're gonna smash shit with it. It's just that time of the week. So, here we go.
Here's your daily dose of vitamin C.
Applesauce.
You know, my grandmother always said she loved some cookies. But not me. Life's like a little bit of an onion. You peel it back. Get out of my... French onion soup.
I don't know about you, AJ, but I'm thirsty. I can use a drink. Delicious. Standard blend of oats in your diet is always good for one's health.
Excellent!
AJ, you need to put more oats in your diet. You need more fucking fiber.
You know, that's what my mother always said. Fuck that.
Center of a boomer's diet. Juicy, nutritious, sugary. Red grapefruit.
Your grandmother couldn't handle that shit.
Or did the white chime in?
Nick! Fucking yeah! Hey!